Hey guys, Melissa here with Two Chef Mission, and I wanted to come on and talk to you about a recipe that I saw online this past week. I think we all know that there are lots of recipes that we can find online. Some of them are good, some of them not so good. This one happened to actually have some really bad advice that would be dangerous. So, seeing it, I was like, nope, we're going to talk about this one. This recipe was supposed to be like a spoof on the Dunkaroos dipping stuff for cookies, right? Which, okay, if you want to make that, fine. But the problem is that one of the ingredients that it calls for is funfetti cake mix that just gets mixed into the other fillings and is not cooked. Now, if you are just a home cook, you might not know this, but it's not just raw ingredients like eggs that you need to worry about with baking ingredients. In fact, certain ingredients like flour actually need to be cooked in order for them to be safe. So recommending that you eat them raw can be very dangerous because they can actually hold harmful bacteria that could cause you to get foodborne illnesses. So the problem with this recipe is that it's made by a home cook, which of course sometimes home cook recipes are good, but do they really have the knowledge and background to recommend something that so many people in the comments were saying that they wanted to feed their kids? We hope you liked this quick video about recipes that you can find online, and if you did, we'd love for you to like and follow us so you can catch us in the next one.